Get it, Mishka. Put it in. Put it.
Out of the way.
Just put it in the bucket.
That's how we got it, I guess. Put lots of rocks in this.
Sierra, back up so Grandma can
Sierra,
get a video.
back up a little bit.
I want to see too.
Watch. Watch Mishka. Get it, Mishka. Get the rock. Get it. Get it.
That's a good video.
Drop it in and then back up. Sierra. Don't put it next to the
Okay,
camera.
yes. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch it.
Put it in the bucket and then back away so Grandma can get a video of it. Put it in the bucket. You let her take it.
Sorry, but what? This is so big. Oh, salmon bug. This.
Drop it.
There.
Look out.
Let me watch the video. This take a picture, right?
She did.
No, she's not. That's a video. It's a video screen. Now. Don't mind if I join.
She still waits every single time for her to put a rock in the bucket.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a good thing it didn't hit Grandma's car.
I know. Watch how she follows her. See? She thinks the boots are the weirdest thing.